So a lot of waivers are still using the plastic bag method. The plastic bag method is a well-known method that waivers all across the globe use when it comes to laying down their 360 wave. But what if I told you I got something new for y'all? I mean, something new that could permanently replace the plastic bag for good. Before we get into it, quick shout out to the Cut Money Man for sponsoring this video. They sent me this lay down glove that they wanted me to test and give my honest opinions on. So you know it's only right that I had to share it with y'all. So I went ahead and tested this lay down glove against the plastic bag, man. And the results for this test, man, I think it's very clear that there's a new champ in town when it comes to laying down your 360 waves. And so I really put this glove to the test. I started by combing, lifting the hair, and then I went in with a hard brush after I was done combing. After the hard brush, normally comes the medium brush, but I went ahead and skipped the medium brush. I skipped the medium brush because I wanted to see what the glove could do with the least amount of assistance. So I went ahead and lifted everything up so that when I went to go lay it back down, it would mainly only be the glove itself that was laying my waves down. I was impressed because, like y'all, most of y'all watching this video, as I said, y'all probably still use the plastic bag method. The plastic bag is very popular for many reasons. The biggest issue with the plastic bag was the lack of control. Not enough room, depending on the size of the plastic bag you're using, whatever the case may be. You know, you could either get a little size plastic bag like this, and if you got hands like mine, probably even bigger. You get what I'm saying? That's all you're gonna get. And if you're gonna use a bigger bag, you're just gonna look goofy, and it's just, you know what I mean? It's a little struggle. And at the end of the day, you wasting plastic bags. Let's be for real. With this lay down glove, very unique, very fashionable, and that control that I was talking about. You get a lot of control and a lot of movement, and it's good material on your waves. You could actually feel your waves. So one thing I really did always like about the plastic bag and why I used to say it was undefeated was because no matter what type of glove or what type of lay down pad it was, I think the one reason why a lot of wavers appreciate the, the plastic bag is because you could really feel your waves through the bag. So when I tried the glove on and I was still able to like legitimately feel my waves as I'm using the lay down glove and having more control just over my waves, over my crown, and not just feeling like, you know, my hands stuck together and I have to spread the bag. I could actually just spread my hand and I still have full control. Impressive. So control, and obviously the fashion test. Let's be real. Would you rather pull this out? Because you know, pulling this out in public, people who are not waivers, they're like, "Yo, what are you doing? Is that a plastic bag?" They're looking at you kind of crazy. They don't know what we're doing. You pull out a glove, they might still look at you kind of crazy, but you gotta admit, it looks cool. It's still gonna lay your waves down. You know, if you're a righty, lefty, well, nicely designed. I could only imagine if I got in a real session with all three brushes of how good it would have looked, and because it still looked great from just lifting up the hair and pretty much only using a soft brush itself to lay it back down after only using a hard brush. Soft brush and hard brush from the Nick Wavy collection. The lay down glove itself is from the Nick Wavy collection as well. I was just really impressed with what this glove can do, and I really think that, you know, waivers should give it a try. If you are interested in testing out this glove, the link will be in the description. You can use code J10 at checkout for 10% off, yo. So I mean, you ain't really got nothing to lose with testing out this glove, man. This is the new cheat code for waves, dog. The lay down glove is in, and the plastic bag is out, bruh. You heard it here first. Y'all, I mean, talk to me. Let me know, man. You feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.